In this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon wish list and share it. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Go ahead and log into your Amazon account, and once you're in the main dashboard, go ahead and click on Accounts and List on the top right corner. Then under your list, you're going to tap on Create a List. Amazon is going to ask you to add a name to your list. So let's say it's my birthday and I want some gifts. So I'm just going to go ahead and title this as birthday gifts. And once your list is ready, it's time for the fun part. You're going to start scrolling through Amazon and going through everything you want. And I'm going to show you how to add those items to your list. So let's say I want to add this camera to my list. What I'm going to do is, instead of clicking on Add to Cart, I'm going to scroll down a little bit until I see this option right here on the right that says Add to List. If you have several lists, you're going to tap on this little arrow that's pointing down, and you're going to select the list that you want to add this item to. This will automatically add this item to your wish list. You're going to continue adding all the products that you want on your wish list, and once you're done, all you have to do is share this list with the people that are going to your party or to your birthday or whatever it is that you're celebrating. To do that, you're going to click on Invite, and if you only want people to see your wish list, you're going to select View Only. And here you're going to have two options. You can either copy the link and share it with people, or you can invite people to see your wish list through email. Select your favorite option and then just go ahead and share your list with your special ones. Hope that helps.